I might have to open my door to throw up. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. You sound like a dinosaur.
Why was that harder than I thought it was going to be?
It's like super carbonated.
Yeah. Woo. What's going on, guys?
I told you.
So while Kim's finishing this, I'm going to review.
Woo.
So I got the Doomsday Pecan. I'm excited for that. And then he... and then he also sent some jerky.
Oh my god.
I believe he said this is his red hot jerky that he used to have on the site, but he took it off. So he made himself some and then sent me a little bag. So I'm gonna try this.
Can you stop making me laugh while I'm trying to drink?
While Kim's chugging. 5 minutes later. I'm pretty pumped on this.
Why does this car sound like an airplane?
Ooh,
Ew. These are
smell that. That smells delicious.
Frank's Red Hot.
Whew. All right. Oh.
I'm not made to chug. Why is it so bubbly?
Oh no.
Melvin.
Melvin! Hey guys. We got this. Melvin. Come here. Tell the peoples
Hello, people.
what you thought about the not as hot honey.
Very sweet, but a little spicy.
A little spicy. What did it get you to out of 10? Heat level.
8, 7.5, 8.
7.5.
So
8.
panic level, Mel?
Who's panic level? My panic level, about an 8.
Okay.
So
Not bad.
So the honey was right below panic level for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was just I don't like spices neither, so if you don't like spices, that's good. That's alright.
It's above a table pepper.
It's above a table pepper.
Yeah.
Way above a table pepper.
Thank you, Mel.
Oh.
Review, huh?
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Awkward review from Melvin.
He actually said that he might buy this if it wasn't as hot, but I'm gonna keep pushing.
We're just gonna put a bottle of honey next to the Tink bottle and just let it like sit in the same vicinity.
We're gonna try and raise Melvin's tolerance,
And then we'll
little by little.
Then we'll charge him $14.95 for it.
Oh, all right. So this is delicious. I don't even know exactly what kind of flavor. It's supposed to be, I'm pretty sure he said red hot.
Like Frank's Red Hot.
I think.
I put that shit on everything. No, I don't. That's a lie. I don't like Frank's.
Still chewing. I got this on the site, guys. Finally, it took me like a month.
Forever. Because he forgot he had it.
I kept forgetting.
To be honest.
I found it again today. After finding it last month. I've got 9 bottles of it. So, I think this is the last there ever will be and is out there. I have a little under 1 case left. Boom, she finished.
My VCD's acting up. I'm pretty sure some of it went up my nose.
Oh, you're just taking forever to chew. You want it?
You did not just try to give me that meatball looking fucking piece of jerky.
Here.
What am I doing with it?
You want to eat one? I just swallowed that whole piece.
Alright, so when you're constipated later.
Yeah, probably should have chewed
Jerky
it.
ball.
It's just a ball coming out. Doomsday Pecans. These were supposed to be a challenge item. But Mr. Tony Reeves said it wasn't hot enough to be like an actual challenge. Smells good. Smells like cinnamon sugar. And
oh, there's cherry Pepsi.
so it's got Carolina Reaper, Scorpion, and Ghost powder with cinnamon and sugar on the outside. And inside of the nuts was is the Doomsday tincture that I had made for Dunn, which is stupid hot. So I'm curious of what this is actually going to taste like. Sergeant Duncan. Alright, here.
No, you're gonna bite one, so it's only got a little piece left.
That's just sugar. So you want me to bite half and then give
No,
you
like
the other half?
3/4. I don't like nuts. Shit. I drank the soda. I have no panic.
That is delicious.
Sorry, y'all. Getting a little cold. Oh no. I don't want to swallow. Hot.
That is good.
That's a Reaper, man. Okay, you know what? I actually tasted a lot of that.
Yeah. You definitely get the cinnamon and sugar.
Get the
And
nut.
after you swallow, you kind of get the
Reaper?
the tink. Kind of like that tincture burn. If that makes sense.
I have to get it out of my teeth or I'll freak out this texture.
This is delicious. Wow. I was nervous that it was going to be more pepper. Like,
Honestly, they're not that bad.
no, they're sweet. You get the sweetness and then you get like the tongue burn.
Throat punch.
I don't have any throat punch right now. I have a slight burn on my tongue.
I have a whole tongue, a little bit of the back of the mouth, and like right here in the throat.
Where's your heat level for a third of a nut?
Right now, probably said I got like a 4 or 5. Because it's also got that tink burn that's just like steady.
Now this is $10. You get a lot of nuts. Like I've probably eat like 10 now, and still have 2/3 of a bag left. So there's probably like 30, 40 nuts in this bag. So I understand why this is not a challenge. It's a snack. It's a good snack for a chili head.
If you...
No, you're done.
I don't like nuts. If you like nuts.
These are tasty.
And you like pepper. They're honestly really not that bad.
No. I want to say my mouth
It's still in my teeth.
Let me sit here and...
Yeah, because the more you eat, the more it, like, intensifies.
Alright, so I have no throat burn at all, which is weird.
My throat burn's gone.
The sides of my tongue are pretty lit up. I want to say like a 2. My mouth is probably around a 2 out of 10 for heat.
Let me see your eyes.
It's like slightly...
Maybe a 3?
Slightly getting gloss.
Because 4 is a tear.
Yeah, 4 is when I start getting tears. But it's still slowly like... there we go. Like, still burning. Yeah, I'll say 3.
Ow, sorry.
It is tasty, though. For $10, you get a nice sized bag. Like, they fill it up, too. Like, it was pregnant. It was a pregnant bag. Like, it was, boop, belly out.
Pregnant bag.
Pregnant bag.
First time I've heard that.
I could definitely sit here and eat all these.
Yeah, you could.
No problem. I probably still will. But...
They'll be gone today.
yeah. I bought 5 of them.
Nope, not me.
Nope.
Yeah, definitely you.
Yeah. Go to the site and get some of these. They're good.
Go to our site.
Here we go. A little pepper burp. $10. You won't be disappointed. For a non-chili head, this is gonna be hot. This is definitely gonna be hot. But if you're trying to build a tolerance, this wouldn't be a bad start, because you can eat like half of the nut, you know, and just go
Work
from
it
there.
up.
Yeah, because it's sweet. It's really good flavor.
And you also will have a bunch of cinnamon sugar powder in the bottom. That's also got the Reaper and stuff.
Yeah.
You see a nice little layer. Put it on your oatmeal in the morning or something.
Yeah.
Put a little bit in your coffee. Reuse.
Yeah.
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
Delish. But we will be back. I really just want to sit here and eat them. Make sure, grab the last of the Sergeant sauce.
Forever.
It's good. I promise. You will not be disappointed. Our honey, $5 for this little bottle.
We have hot and not as hot.
Yeah, this is not as hot.
Melvin did not do the hot one.
No.
He would have been on the ground. We probably had to call his mom or an ambo. I don't know.
Somebody. Ooh.
Would have called out for the rest of the week, and it's only Tuesday. Yeah. Wednesday? Tuesday.
But, alright, guys. Get some of this. Get some nuts.
Get it.
Get your nuts.
Get all of it.
Alright.
Good day.
Good day, guys.